Hi everyone, my name is Clyde D'Souza, and in this video we'll take a look at a Miroverse template that I made called Bullseye Feedback. Now this is a nice and small and easy to use template that's meant to just capture feedback from your workshop attendees and has a facilitator. It's really useful to get feedback. So all you have to do is just use this template in a new board or in an existing board, and then just get people to throw darts at the target to indicate their feedback, and obviously anonymously indicate their feedback. And obviously if people want to elaborate on things on and describe why they feel a certain way, they can. But otherwise, even just by numbers, how people are feeling in terms of where they have thrown their darts at. So this is the Miroverse page template. What I have done is I have quickly clicked on the use template button, which has then copied the feedback template, the bullseye feedback template, to my Miro account, and you get the template itself, a few dots here in the center, and an example on how to use it. So essentially you just copy this template and these darts to your Miro board, and then you let your participants know to just copy a dart from here, and then wherever they feel like in this target they can throw the dart in. Now the numbers are to indicate that 10 hits the sweet spot. So if they have absolutely loved the session, they put their dart right in the center of the target, which is a 10, and on the opposite end, which is at number 1, anywhere on this circle, anywhere in the outermost circle, the number 1 circle, that would indicate that they have not liked the session as much. So innermost circle is where you want most darts to go, and then obviously at the end you would want least number of darts to go. So let's say if I was to pick up one of these darts, just copy that. I could place it at number 5 if that is where I want my feedback to be, or I can place at number 9. So as you can see, the dart goes across different layers, but it's really where the point is, and similar to a game of an actual dart, where the point hits, that's where your actual feedback is. So not the outer end, but the inner end, which is where the arrow points to. That's where your actual feedback is, and that holds true for all the darts over here, even these generic ones. It gets placed wherever you want, but it's where the dart is actually pointing at, is where the actual feedback is supposed to be. So that is bullseye feedback. If you do like this template, give this a heart, click this heart button, share this template with your network, and also feel free to tag me in those posts. My social media handle are in the YouTube description below, and then of course click the blue button to copy this template to your Miro board, and now you can actually even copy this template to an existing board, which is really cool, a cool new feature from Miroverse. So thank you for watching. That's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, comment down below your thoughts, and do subscribe to this YouTube channel. Thanks for watching once again, and see you next time.